Dylan.
Hi, Richard here.
Welcome to Dylan Raps.
You know you've always got to say that straight away now.
Yeah.
Welcome to Dylan.
Right.
Right, so today, what are we opening, Dill? You're the boss.
Special styles. We've got some like booster box and cards, and we've got this mini one.
Yeah, so this is the rest of our booster box that we opened, was it last week or the week before? And this is like a half booster box. So, yeah. Right, so, alright. Are you going to take all these packs from the booster?
Uh-huh.
And then I can sort of remember how well the booster box done compared to the last one.
Or is it going to be white cards? Take it.
Oh, so that means you got a pull probably straight away.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Fire.
Water. I'm sticking with water from the other day, remember?
Same, I'm going for fire. Oh, look at that. I got it right. Mm-hmm.
Oh, right, well, yeah, just because it's got about 1,000 energies in there.
I know.
What are Pokemon? Any Pokemon in there? Any names?
I don't
I'm joking with you.
That's a new one.
Oh, yeah. Gurdor, yeah. True. I've got a green pack.
Oh.
Oh, reverse, yeah.
God.
Sanaconda, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got that.
Yeah, I believe. I got a green card, by the way.
Oh, lucky you.
I'm going to stick with water.
Fire.
Yeah. Now I'm going to swap. Fans of Waves. Yeah, there's a few. Hopefully there's loads of new ones. We're obviously trying to collect a set of these. All reverse. Primate, definitely got him. Definitely got him.
Wait, what time frame, mate?
Non-hollow, non-reverse. But
It
yeah.
is a green one. Don't it.
These are so tricky, some of these packs.
You just open from the back.
Hopefully we get a couple of VMAXs. Let's see.
I think I seen one of those.
Yep.
I think I seen my those.
Let's see.
A white card again.
Really? I've got another green one.
Seriously?
2, 3, 4. I've got to change now.
One. I'm fire.
Yeah, I'm going to go with fighting / rock. Water. Oh, I wish I'd have stuck with water now.
Oh, is that my reverse?
No, you got it right. That's a common, uncommon, I think. Yeah. Ooh.
That's a new one.
No.
Yeah, definitely.
I will. Oh,
what the?
I've seen your reverse. That's a new reverse. That is good. Oh, Tapu Baloo. Definitely a new one there.
I like that refrigerator.
Looks like a ball. Right, so I've got a green card. What was mine? Electric. And
No,
yours is fire.
No, yours was fighting.
Oh, fighting. Yeah. Fighting.
Mine was fighting.
Oh, dark. That's a shame.
I got so many packs.
Yeah, when I'm doing green packs, I'm definitely going to just hurry through to the reverse. Vero! Said he was new. And now we've got 2.
Wait,
Do you like that little rhyme?
Wait. Oh, I got green finally.
What do you mean finally? You want as many white tops as you can.
1,
I haven't had one yet, so let's see.
2.
I'm going to keep my tools separate from yours. Let's see who gets the best. I've got another green card.
4.
I'm
Unlucky me. A fire.
And I'm going for fighting. Dark. Oh, yeah. Might have to change this up, Dill. Might have to change this up.
Why has it got single strike and something?
Remember, that's just the battle styles. That's why it's called battle styles. They put that on a few cards. I suppose that's how they're getting the name for the packs.
I'm guessing it's like,
Oh, what's that? Entai. Oh,
That's
reverse.
easy.
That's a nice reverse.
I like this one. It's crying. I don't need mine.
No.
It's mine.
Yeah, it's yours. Yeah, you can have them. Did you do the rare?
No.
No. You didn't do the rare. Look, there's one
Yes.
more. There's one more behind that reverse. Stonjournia, something like that. That doesn't matter. I think we got him last time.
No, we've got him for a collection in my bedroom.
In the V card, yeah. Alright, so what are you saying?
Fire, wasn't it? Or...
Yeah, fire, and I'm saying fighting. Leaf.
You got 2 presents.
No, I've only got 1. Because I was Water Festival and then I went to Leaf. Let's get to my reverse.
You went to fighting.
Pig Night. I'm not sure if we got him or not. I think we have got his reverse.
Gosh, that's a bad opening.
I am coming on to my 4th pack here. And I haven't had a white. Oh, yes. Finally got a white top. You got a green top.
Thank you.
Let's get a pull. Shall I crack on? After sweat with it. I know what the energies was. We didn't get it right. As you know, we're trying to open up probably at least 30 odd packs here, so I'm going to start.
That's way more.
What is my red? Oh.
Again.
Sanaconda.
I've got like 3.
Yeah, well, no. That is definitely not a rare. You've got two rares. He can't go there. He's just a common guard. We've probably got about 30 of him already, and we've only opened up like a booster box and a half.
Right,
He's definitely not getting counted, that right?
fire.
Yeah, still fighting for me. Yes. Now I can change. 2-0 to me.
That's not fair.
It's happening. Oh, I've got another white
Zero. Oh, I just,
Yeah, we've already got his non-hollow, I know that.
No. Licky down.
Oh, what top did you get? A green one? Yeah, you did, didn't you?
Licky.
Yeah, I'm thinking we need that reverse, what you just got there. Right, I've got a white top, by the way. So I've got to change. So it's 2-0 to me. I've got fighting done. I'll go to electric, because I said electric. You sticking with fire, or are you changing?
No, I'm not. I'm just sticking.
Sticking with fire? Good. Psychic.
I was going to go for that. Oh, there's a red stripe, actually.
Right,
Yeah,
I know this one was a white pack, but I still want to get to the back. Tall Jammers the reverse. Oh, there you go.
Oh my
What's this
god.
one? Carven Knight V.
We've got that.
Did we? Not for... not sure for this set. I have to have a look. I don't think we have for this set. I know we have got one of him, yeah. I know what you mean. I know.
What did I get last time?
You were still doing fire and I was doing...
I'm going psychic then, because I'm
okay.
definitely not going to get any more. What are you going for? Electric. Fine.
Oh no, you changed.
Literally.
I've got a green top. What did you get?
A white.
Oh. Let's see what Dylan gets. That's it. Oh, what you got for your reverse? Oh, nice reverse. Oh, no way. Let's have a look.
It's a
let me have a look closely. Oh, look, it's the rainbow rare. Look at the number. So that's like 169 out of 163.
Look, it said Rapid Strike Ufa VMAX. That's really rare.
I reckon that's quite a rare card, yeah.
We have to look up.
All the rainbow rares are really rare.
This is going to.
That's the best pull so far, easily.
Thanks.
Wait, don't move my V card out of the way, please.
Well, I've got the better, so mine goes in the middle.
Yeah, I reckon. I don't know how much they go for, but I'd easily say that.
We're
Can
gonna
you move
have
your others, please, brother?
Oh, sorry.
Stack them up properly. All right. I was electric. Are you changing?
No, fire again.
You're going to go back to fire?
Yeah, why not?
3-0 to me. This ain't going too well for Dill today.
No, not even got 1.
Not got 1, sorry. I just moved my cards.
Can you get your elbows? That's what you say to me.
Yeah, but when I'm doing my pack opening, and then now I can move aside so you can get in, see?
Oh, what?
I like that rainbow rare one. That is a decent pull. So that was out of the booster box.
Was it?
So I think out of the first booster box we got a gold card. I got a white top. So yeah, to be fair, the booster boxes have done us quite well, I think. I want to see another good pull out of your ones. Let's see. I think we got a couple of emails.
I'm going for grass.
You're changing?
Yeah, why
I've got
not?
electric already. I'm going to go psychic. I should have said electric again. Go on in.
Just go for it.
No,
you said electric.
No.
Okay.
I have to change. No, I changed. 3-0.
Oh, look.
Mustard.
Oh, this has got a style.
Yeah, loads of them have.
Alright.
Battle styles, the packs.
Oh.
Battle styles. Oh, Electrive. Nice. Oh, look at that. Stoutland. I think we got him as a B card.
Stoutland.
Stoutland. Did we get him as a...
I don't know.
Or was that another set again?
Another set. Oh yeah, it was in.
No, I think we got them in this set. In our first box.
Did we?
What's your guess on the energy? I'll stay psychic. What's your guess?
I don't know.
I think you said leaf last time and then you went back to fire. So what are you going with? Don't try and look through them.
I'm just seeing the barcode now.
Yeah, seeing the barcode.
Actually, I need to...
Alright, what's your guess on the energy, mate?
Oh, right. I don't know. Fire?
Fighting.
I'm
I think I've got a white top here.
You can guess 2 energies.
Oh no, I ain't guessing. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with psychic. Houndoom got a few of him.
I'm going to fire and fighting.
Okay, I'll let you do that. I'll go psychic. Dark.
Still got it wrong for deal.
I've got a green top.
Same. See, did I just get a double blade? I just. Oh wait, I just got.
No, you haven't got him. You got double.
Oh look, I just did it.
Yeah, that's their evolution.
Oh. Oops.
I'll come with that one.
Oh.
What's your reverse? Oh. I don't think I've seen that rare either. Right, what's your guess on energy?
What did I go for? Oh, 1.
2.
Fire and dark.
Fire and dark. I'll stay psychic. Give Dylan 1.31. This is a green pack, so I'm going to get through it to the reverse. Ooh, Luxray. Reverse, that's nice.
That's your rare.
Yeah, but the Luxray's good.
Please. White card, please.
We're getting through. I reckon I'm over halfway through that box now, so that's not bad.
How many packs are you going? Oh, you're going for the rest of those. Cool.
I've got another greens art.
Cool.
Shall I just crack on mine? Yeah. No. Are you changing?
Definitely.
What 2?
I'm going to stick with fire and then grass.
Fire and grass. Okay.
Where are you going?
Psychic.
Seriously? 4-0.
4-1. You got 5.
I said 4-0.
Oh, look, I'm going to get through it quick. There's a green pack. Oh, you got a white one again. Oh. Share? But I don't know if I got that reverse or not.
Fire.
Definitely.
And psychic.
Oh. Okay.
I'll
go dark.
I thought it would be poison.
Are you going to take that, are you?
Yes.
So you got 4-2 now. But I suppose if you keep guessing 2, you're more likely to get this.
No, you just got 5.
No, 4.
Okay.
Oh, I've got a white top. Lovely, lovely.
Oh.
So.
Oh,
no way.
Again?
What's he called? Shrew V. You've just pulled his rainbow and his V.
That's nice. I need this VMAX.
So far from your packs, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've pulled the same amount of packs and I've got 3. So, right, this one was a white top though. So, cool. Let's have a look. What do you think? What are you going for? I'll go with dark, as I've changed.
Can I go for dark as well for my second?
No.
Okay, grass and fire. Again.
Fire's there. Oh no. I've accidentally let slip.
Uh-oh.
I have seen a V card. Definite minimum. Yeah. I'm going to get through to the reverse. Oh. Good. Oh, it's a trainer.
Rainbow.
Oh, it's a mustard full art. Nice. 163 out of 163 full art. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
How do you know it's always a full art? I just got
usually the last trainers, I don't know if it's safe.
I just got a white card.
Usually in every set, is the last few is the trainers. So I'm going to keep mine separate still, but actually this booster box is not that bad. Mini booster box, I mean. I'm dark.
Fire and water. Again?
You got to stick. Oh, I've got another white top. Yeah, definitely stick with fire. It's coming out now. You're pulling fire, Dill. You're pulling fire. Let's go. What you got? What you got for us? Oh, nice. What you got? Oh, no way! You got this. That's what I just got. What's it? A Croconite VMAX. So you got some pulls.
I know.
I still think that rainbow rare. After the video, I'll have a look how much it's worth.
All of them
And when-
of my good cards.
And what I'll do is when Dylan pulls that card, I'll put a rough estimate on there because I reckon that's your pull of the day. Oops. It's psychic, by the way.
Oh, I didn't even get to guess.
It's for free. Can't let you win. No, you'll probably win. Oh, I had a white top actually. I had a white top. Oh, good. Embor. To be fair.
Oh, green card. Shit.
Yeah, but.
Shit. It's normally at the back of the pack.
No, it ain't.
For mine, it's
No, it's at
normally...
the front like this, look.
Never. For me.
I've got a green one as well.
Wow.
How many packs have I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you got left? 4 or 5?
Fire and psychic.
Dark for me. I
I
think it's 4-3, so we are. This is a green pack, isn't it, Bill?
And yours.
See what your reverse is. Oh, what you got for reverse? Spearow. Oh, don't think we've got Spearow.
Billion. I haven't got that.
Yeah, we have.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, I've already pulled him today.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, he's over there somewhere. All right, what's your guess on the energy this time? I'll stick with dark.
Fire.
Just fire.
Fire and psychic.
You just had that, didn't you?
I'm going for that metal.
Got some Golbat in there, Gligar, Electabuzz, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Murkrow, Fearow, third one, and Spout Junior, something like that.
Let me see.
I can't believe we pulled 3 Fearows, but well.
I'm fine.
I want to try and get another couple of
Oh,
hollows.
come on. Oh,
It's another green pack. But is that meaning my
green card.
last few are going to be hollows, hopefully? What are you doing, man?
Just licked it.
You got a green card. That's right.
What the heck?
Everything just gets chucked at me.
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire and I should go for metal.
Metal, that has come up twice in a row. I'll stay with dark energy. Should I change the last couple of packs?
Oh my god, it's fire and lightning.
Hey, you said metal.
Well,
No,
I only
wasn't
got
it?
the fire, so I win a point.
No chance.
Oh, come on. That's...
Unless you get a shiny energy in there, no. Oh, what's that? Kingdra, reverse, nice. Reverse rare. Nice,
Mr.
nice.
Rhyme. Oh.
We need him as a hollow or a reverse. What's your guess again? I'll go with dark energy. You will go with
I don't know. To stick with fire still.
fire and what?
Fire and fighting.
Until you catch up with me, then I'll let you have 2. So you've only got to get 1 more. Then you're up. Then you're up to level. So it doesn't really matter, really, does it? Ooh, for Mattis. Victory Bell. I've had him already today.
Have you?
Yeah, I don't know if we've got the reverse Victory Bell.
No.
Or if there's a hollow Victory Bell, I'm not too sure. I'd assume there is. Oh, I've got a white top, finally. Back in the game. Back in the game.
I'm not in the game.
Well, let me have a look. I've got to get rid of that card because that's confusing me. That is a common card, right. So far you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I've got 5. So we're going to judge is half a booster box, a normal booster box, better than half of a small booster box. You ready? You ready?
I just need to...
You've really messed up, haven't you?
Yeah.
He's really messed up, haven't he?
Okay,
His cards are all over the place.
fire and water.
Dark energy, I can't see it coming out of the front. That's your rare.
Thanks.
That's your rare. Leaf. What's your reverse though? Tower of Darkness, need that.
Cool.
Put that on top. Go on in. Put it over there. There's a green pack. Doesn't matter. Oi, do not put it on top of your lovely VMAXs and Vs. Well, what's guess on this one? I'll stay dark.
Fire and grass. Oh, I'm going
Grass.
for the other.
Dark. 5
What the
points to me. You're not even going to catch up, are you?
No.
Right, here we go.
You said you let me have 2 more.
Right, here we go. Tab Tiger's just got that. Oh.
Oh, a V. It's a V. I'm guessing it's
Ooh. Neck.
Wait, there.
Kurzuma.
That looks like a hollow bit.
That is a wicked ball. We definitely need him as well. To be fair.
Guess what I just got?
Green card.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw. You shoot me.
I did not.
Do your card trick properly. Come on. 1. Let's see. Look, show everyone. This is how he gets jumbled up, everyone, by the way. Because the cards scatter.
Fire and glass.
And I will go for metal. To be fair, I have 1 today.
Yeah.
I've got 5.
Sand or white, haven't got that. You haven't got that.
You don't have to say we haven't got that.
Oh right, we haven't. I don't know. Do I?
Most of the common cards you get like within your first booster box.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I don't know if I've got that energy recycle.
Prime ape.
You just got them in your last one.
It's called mate.
Alright, what's your guess? I only got a green card. I'll stick with metal and you will stick with fire and...
Dark.
Leaf. You should have changed to leaf.
I don't know.
Of course you don't know.
What happened to my hair?
Just, well, when the barber shop's open, reverse hounding, thought meeting.
Oh my god.
When the barber shop's open on Monday, you'll be getting a fresh cut.
Guess what I just got?
I meant to know.
Just guess.
White card, hopefully.
No.
Green.
Yes. How?
Oh, I've got a white top. Lovely, lovely. I've only got 2 more packs after this.
I've only got 1.
Yeah, I did. I think I had an extra 1 or 2 packs than you though, because I had 18 and you had. What did we do the other week? Did we do 20?
3.
So maybe you had a couple less. I don't know. You keep them together like that.
Fire and grass.
I'll go metal still.
Please, 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 please.
Please, please, please.
I'm lost. Oh, he's nice. Here, I've got him, definitely.
We have got him. We've got so many of them today.
No, we have not.
We haven't got his reverse.
Oh, God.
We definitely haven't got his reverse.
Mm.
So pull his reverse and then you can say we haven't got that.
Oh.
Okay? Oh, got his reverse earlier. Alright. I got a white top.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh, please be a white card. Oh,
What's your
I'm
guess on
gonna
the
go
energy?
psycho and rip all your cards.
What's your guess on the energy?
Oh, fire. And, I don't know.
Mine's still metal.
Fire and fire. No, electric.
It's too late. Too late.
I
Too
got
late.
it, but I got 6.
What do you mean 6? You've only got 3 so far.
4.
You can't
I just
triple.
got 4.
Got a King Drew reverse. Oh, Bill.
Oh, V. Vink.
Oh, instantly. That is.
Ripping all your cards now. Seriously, I'm not opening here.
You're not opening that one.
No.
Well, just because it's got a green bag.
Yeah. Can I do one of the last packs?
What, do you want me to see what this one is? Yeah. Do that one then.
I need
Do that one. No, this one's a green pack as well, so it doesn't really make a difference. Well, I'll check the last one then. I'll check the last one. You're shuffling. You're shuffling. That's another greenback, so it isn't going to make a difference. They're all greenbacks.
Higher and basic.
Pardon?
Science.
I'll be metal then. Oh. Oh, yay.
7.
7? How? You're up to 4.
Oh my god. I was 4, and then you said I could have 2 points with 6 and another.
I didn't say you could have 2 points.
Yes, you did.
You
Your mind is blind. You have no brain.
You're forgetting yourself.
Ah!
You went psycho.
I'm not. And
What you got?
Nicky Dog.
Oh, I haven't got that reverse, so you can say that if you want.
Yeah.
Alright, here comes my pack.
Fire and psychic.
I'll go with metal still. So I've only got one more pack. It's here, Dill. I've already done the card trick. Here you go.
There you go.
No, this one.
Oh, thanks.
But it was a green card, so we know we are pretty much.
I'm going for fire and glass.
Okay, roly-poly. Agalash.
Fire and glass, what are you going?
I'm going for metal. Sticking with metal.
8.
8! You'll make up any score anyway. It doesn't matter what I say.
8, 8, 8, 8.
And how many did I get? 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought
That's
so.
fair.
That's fair. What's your reverse going to be?
I don't know.
Oh, I've definitely got that one.
Solar Scorch.
Solar Scorch.
We've got like, so many of hollows of him, didn't we?
Yeah, that's Champion's Path though.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah. Right. Put them away. Let's see. Let me count. Alright. So, these are my pulls out of one of these mini boxes. What you pick up from like McCoy's, somewhere like that. Alright. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 18 packs, and we've got some good ones in there. And Dylan had the rest. I believe he had 14 packs left, and obviously he's got 2 hollows. What you got? 2 Vs, 1 VMAX, and a rainbow rare VMAX. So
I need to glare it. Rapid strike. That's like
definitely pull of the day, that one. You've got to be well chuffed with that. You don't often get rainbow rares, do you?
So, what's your favourite of yours?
Of my ones, let me go for
That's
them
mine.
again. I like the full art trainer.
And your V?
Yeah, I'd like both them Vs. I'll probably go full art trainer just because the rareness of the
And
trainer
pick
card.
one for mine. I know what you're going for.
Gonna go for the rainbow.
Same, and I'm going for yours.
What do you think?
I don't know. You're like full R thing.
Well, this one. That's the full art. Mustard.
What? It's
Yeah,
like
he's pretty
very
cool.
hot.
He's very cool. I don't know what he's saying. You can play this. Oh,
What is it number?
here's the last number. It's 163 out of
That's going to be
163.
the same with this one, I'm guessing.
What's
But
that one?
150 and 160.
What's this one? 150.
So,
Oh yeah, he'll be right at the back as well, so he's quite a rare one. You always know when they're right at the back. Right, so yeah, thank you very much for watching another episode
of
Dylan
Dylan Rams.
Dylan Rams.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, keep subscribing. It's very good, isn't it? We're
And
happy.
liking. We forgot to say that a lot. Well,
Yeah.
today we said it.
Today we did say it. I'll remember. Like the
Okay.
videos.
Bye.